गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं टू फाइंड द नेचर ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय अ कनकेव मिरर। सो बेसिकली इसका सेटअप क्या है, इसमें मैंने एक कनकेव मिरर यूज़ किया है, यू कैन सी दिस, एंड एक मैंने मीटर स्केल ड्रॉ कर लिया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंबाइनिंग A4 साइज शीट्स। तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक स्केल क्रिएट कर लिया है। नो जहाँ पे हमारा मिरर पड़ा है वहाँ पे मैंने 0 मार्क लगा दिया है, एंड दैट विल बी अवर पोल एंड एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 15 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज इस मिरर की फोकल लेंथ 15 सेंटीमीटर है। सो आई हैव ड्रॉन द लाइन ऑफ फोकस एंड एट अ 30 सेंटीमीटर इट विल बी सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। इफ यू मूव फॉरवर्ड हमारे पास डिस्टेंस आता जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट का। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अवर एक्सपेरिमेंट। तो बेसिकली सबसे पहले मैं इसको 0 पे सेट कर देता हूँ। Now my mirror is at 0, you can see that, right? And यहाँ पे मेरे पास जैसे मैं कैंडल से ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ इस स्क्रीन के ऊपर मेरे पास कुछ इमेज बन रही है। Now I have to move the screen accordingly ताकि मेरे पास शार्पेस्ट इमेज बने। तो जैसे ही मैं इसको क्लोज लेके आता जा रहा हूँ, आप देख रहे हो कि इमेज शार्प होती जा रही है। इस पॉइंट के बाद इमेज डल होनी स्टार्ट हो गई है। Here I am getting the sharpest image. It is around 40. You can see that 40 के अराउंड इमेज शार्पेस्ट आ रही है। एंड अगर मैं फर्दर पीछे मूव करता हूँ ये डल हो रही है, अगर मैं फिर फॉरवर्ड मूव करता हूँ तो ये शार्प हो रही है, और अगर मैं फर्दर और आगे मूव करता हूँ तो ये फिर से डल हो रही है। सो द image distance will be around 40 and the object distance is around 30. So let me note it down in my notebook. So my mirror is placed at 0 and my candle is placed at around 30 and my image is around 40. So we can calculate U and V from that, and as the distance between mirror and candle is 30, so U will be minus 30, and as the image and mirror are at the distance of 40, so V will be minus 40. Now what we are going to do for the next observation is we are going to move this candle forward. Let us move that to 25. Now I have put that candle on 25 and you can see that here is the image on the screen, but let us check whether it is sharper when we move it backward or not. As you can see here, it is sharpest at this point. Now if we move it further, it will become dull, little bit dull. Now it is dull. If we move forward, it will become sharper, and here it is the sharpest image we are getting around here. It is around 50 we are getting the sharpest image. So let me note down the positions. The mirror is placed at 0, candle is placed at 24, right? It is around 24, and the image is formed, sharpest image is formed around 50. So U will be equals to minus 24 and V will be equals to minus 50. So this is our second observation. Now let us move our candle more towards the mirror. Let us move it towards, let us take it around 21. Now when the candle is placed at 21, you can see that it is around 21. So our distance will be 20. Let us write mirror is at 0, candle is at 20, and let us notice where we will get the sharpest image. Here the image is dull at 50. So when we move backward, we will get the image to be sharper. If we move more further, the image still becomes sharper. Here the image is the sharpest image we are getting. You can see that. If we move further towards this dull, here it is the sharpest image. And afterwards it is still sharper. Here it is getting sharper, and it will be sharper around 77. So let me note it down there. 77 is the distance of the screen. So u will be -20 and v will be -77. Now we have to calculate the magnification. Magnification is v by u minus v by u in the case of concave mirror. So as the v is -40 and u is -30, so when you are going to divide that, you will get, it will be negative of 4 by 3 and it will be around 1 point something, 1.3, negative of -1.3. As the magnification is negative, so we are getting the real and inverted image which can be obtained on the screen. While in the second case, again we are getting 50 by 24, so that will be around 2 point something negative image, but it will be around 2.8, 2.08. It will be around 2.08. And in the third case, here if I am moving the object, I am getting the image at 77. So m will be equals to minus 77 upon 20. So it will be around 3.65. So as I am moving the object towards the mirror, you can observe from this table, when I am moving the object towards the mirror, as the initial distance was 30, if I am keeping the distance at 24, so I am moving the object towards the mirror, but the image will get extended backward. So we will increase with the decrease in the value of u. So basically, when the object is beyond f, image formed is real and inverted. But when object is placed between f and p, no image will be formed because it is virtual image which is placed, which cannot be obtained on the screen. Now if we are going to place the object between 0 to 13, you can see there is no image on the screen when the object is placed between around 11 or 12. So whenever you are going to place the object between 0 to 15, you will not get any image on the screen because the image formed is virtual image, and virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. So that's all about this activity. I hope you have learned new things there. Thank you.